For this video, I'm going to install a printer using a TCP IP port number. So first open Control Panel, and you'll see your categories here. Go down to Hardware and Sound, and underneath that, you're going to click View Devices and Printers. Once you click that and get into the Devices and Printers area, you're going to go to Add a Printer, and it's going to pull up everything that it detects. And then to install with TCP IP, you want to go here where it says the printer that I want isn't listed. And if you look in the options here, you're going to connect add a printer using TCP IP address or host name. And then you would put in your host name, your IP address, your port name. And then you would click next.